This product is faulty. This product is faulty. Do you make a refund? Do you make a refund? I am just looking. I am just looking. I need a receipt, please. I need a receipt, please. I found what I was looking for. I found what I was looking for. The market is crowded today. The market is crowded today. Can we negotiate the prices here? Can we negotiate the prices here? I would like a pair of sunglasses. I would like a pair of sunglasses. This product has a 2-year warranty. This product has a 2-year warranty. How much does this phone cost? How much does this phone cost? I'm looking for a larger size. I'm looking for a larger size. I would like to buy new clothes. I would like to buy new clothes. How much does this bag cost? How much does this bag cost? I'm looking for a shoe store. I'm looking for a shoe store. The market is open until 9 p.m. The market is open until 9 p.m. I'm going to try on these shoes. I'm going to try on these shoes. Do you have a fitting room? Do you have a fitting room? The fitting room is over there. The fitting room is over there. Where is the shopping center? Where is the shopping center? I'm ready to receive the guests. I'm ready to receive the guests. I feel like eating something sweet. I feel like eating something sweet. I want to see you this weekend. I want to see you this weekend. I feel like going for a walk. I feel like going for a walk. The movie was absolutely fantastic. The movie was absolutely fantastic. My father is at work. My father is at work. Without further ado. Without further ado. Eat your heart out. Eat your heart out. My conscience is clear. My conscience is clear. Better late than never. Better late than never. Truth be told. Truth be told. Tit for tat. Tit for tat. Sorry to keep you waiting. Sorry to keep you waiting. Against my will. Against my will. Don't insult me. Don't insult me. Don't tempt me. Don't tempt me.
I feel so guilty.
Guilty?
I feel so guilty.
Guilty?
I feel so guilty.
I feel so guilty.
I feel so guilty.
I feel so guilty.